My boss is angry today. My boss is angry today. The computer is slow.
I see.
The computer is slow. I forgot my password. I forgot my password. I have too much homework. I have too much homework. I am late for work. I am late for work. The test is hard. The test is hard. I do not understand the lesson. I do not understand the lesson. My backpack is heavy. My backpack is heavy. The bus is late again. The bus is late again. I missed the train. I missed the train. The traffic is bad. The traffic is bad. I cannot find a parking spot. I cannot find a parking spot. The store is crowded. The store is crowded. The price is too high. The price is too high. I do not have enough money. I do not have enough money. The shirt is too small. The shirt is too small. The shoes do not fit. The shoes do not fit. I lost my shopping bag. I lost my shopping bag. I forgot my shopping list. I forgot my shopping list. I am very hot today. I am very hot today. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. My feet hurt. My feet hurt. My nose is runny. My nose is runny. The room is messy. The room is messy. The door is locked. The door is locked. I feel very tired. I feel very tired. I have a headache. I have a headache. I need some rest. I need some rest. I need some water. I need some water. I feel better now. I feel better now. If this helps you, please subscribe. If this helps you, please subscribe.